Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this fun spin around card with the Best Butterflies suite and Give It a Whirl dies. This is my third card using the Best Butterflies dies. This is a Give It a Whirl card, and the butterfly flies around the love. And the Give It a Whirl dies also have these cute heart dies as well. So I cut this out with the Give It a Whirl dies, and then I used 2 layering circle dies to cut out the donut here. Then I've also cut out a scrap piece of cardstock and a piece of DSP, and I'm just going to attach this on. Now I'll just align this here and make this piece sturdier. Now I'm gonna stamp some fun polka dots in Parakeet Party on this background piece here. And just like turn your stamp so you can get a variety. Now we're going to line things up. So I'm going to grab a brad from the square and round brads. And it doesn't matter what brad you use because it'll be hidden. So I'm just gonna try to grab a brad, and there's already a hole poked through there. And then I'll open that up for now. And now I'm going to place it, and then place this where I want this to be, and then move this to where I think this center should be. Does that look right? You can go ahead and measure that. So 1 1/4, yep. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove this, leave this here. I'm gonna press on this to make an indent right there. And I'm gonna use my take your pick tool to poke a hole right there at the indent. Okay. And then I'm gonna open this back up and put this through. Gonna open it up and gonna tape it down because I don't want it to spin or move. Okay, now I can put foam strips on this piece right here. So I'm going to put it on the bottom and the top. There's no problem with the blockage on the bottom and the top. And then now I'm going to line these up like to about where this circle is going to be, where this is going to be centered between these 2 pieces here. And actually, I did it way too far. I need to be able to put the stuff down. So this is probably too far, and this is probably too short, but we'll go ahead and add that over there. And then I'll add just a tiny bit over here. And then we'll kind of do the same on this side. Make sure we're not gonna impede. And then probably just a little bit for the top right here. Okay, we can remove all of the backings. And then we're gonna just very lightly, very gently put this on. Try and center it. I would say it would be up there, which doesn't match with where I wanted it. And then just make sure this moves freely. Good job, almost there. So now we have a couple of hearts that I promised that are cut out from the designer series paper, and a butterfly that I created. So I'm gonna go like that. And this piece right here is gonna be placed on a mini dimensional that I'm just going to have right on here so that both of them don't move. Okay, and then we can stamp our sentiment. In Starry Sky. And then I'm gonna cheat and punch this out. And I'll add this to the center. I keep holding on to this dimensional. Put that right there. Okay, and I'm gonna glue our butterfly this way, a little bit different. Let's overlap a little bit here. A little glue there, a lot of glue there, maybe some glue here. Oops, actually no, there's not gonna be any glue there. Okay, we'll just overlap that a little bit. Then we'll add our body. So cute. Then we'll add our hearts. So make sure this one isn't too close. I got it a little too close last time. And then one down here. And then one up here. Okay, so let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna add the butterfly. We're just gonna put a mini dimensional in the track here. And we'll test and make sure that's gonna work, yep. And then we will add our butterfly. And there's our butterfly flying around the love. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial on the Best Butterflies suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment to let me know, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.